I'm Alicia Putri Kalista.
I'm Sarul Kalindra.
I am Cynthia Dewi Laistawati. So today we want to remind our material from word-based lexical studies.
Without further ado, let's start it. First of all, the definition of lexicology and lexicography. Lexicology is the study of words focusing on their structure, meaning, and use, as well as how they relate to each other and change over time. While lexicography is the practice of making dictionaries, which involves describing words and their meanings, usage, and pronunciation. Lexicography select define words to create dictionaries. Lexicography consists of functional word, content word, morpheme, root, affix, compound word, and lexical building.
And then I will explain functional words and content words. Functional words or functional words are words that have little lexical meaning or have ambiguous meaning, but they serve to express grammatical relationships among other words within a sentence. Examples include prepositions in, on, at, conjunction and, but, or, articles the, and pronouns he, she, it. The next is content words or lexical words are words that carry significant meaning and contribute to the content of a sentence. They include noun, job, car, happiness, main verbs, run, speak, think, adjectives, big, blue, happy, and adverbs, quickly, silently, very. These words convey the main information in a sentence.
Next, I will explain about word and morpheme. Word is the smallest unit of language that can stand alone and convey meaning. Word can function as different parts of speech, such as nouns, verbs, adjectives, etc. They are the building blocks of sentence. And morpheme is the smallest grammatical unit in a language. Morpheme can be words themselves, like book, or part of word like 80 in walked. There are two main types of morphemes. First, free morphemes can stand alone as word. Example, books, run, cat, boat. Next, bound morphemes cannot stand alone and must be attached to other morphemes. Example, prefix like an and suffix like ap. The next is root and suffix. Root is the best part of a word that carries the core meaning. It is the foundational element to which prefix, suffix, and other morphemes can be added to form new word. For example, in the word unhappiness, happy is the root. Next, suffix. A suffix is a type of bound morphemes that is added to the end of a root or base word to modify the meaning of create a new word. Suffix can change the word grammatical function, tense, or form. Example include ness in happiness, at in walked, and li in quickly.
I will explain about compound words. A compound word is formed by combining two or more root words to create a single word with a distinct meaning. These words can be nouns, verb, adjective, adverbs, or even preposition. The combination of root words results in a new word that often represents a specific concept or idea. Remember that compound words can take various forms and their use depends on a context and convention. And the last material is lexical blending. A lexical blend, also known as a blend word or portmanteau, is a word insertionally formed by combining the sounds and meaning of two or more words. These blends often emerge to describe new concepts or phenomena. English example include like smoke, containing by word smoke and folk, and the motel is formed by motor referring to motorist and the hotel. And the last one is the component word fragments within blends are sometimes called splinters.
That's all for us.
Thank you for attention.
Bye. And you know, are you doing well?